directors of AmaZulu. Just like to make the announcement that Manqoba Mnqithi is going to be our head coach for the 2010-2011 season. It's a delight for me to make that announcement, and looking forward to the expertise that he can bring to AmaZulu. Welcome, Manqoba.
I would like to give the coach an opportunity, our new head coach, Manqoba Mnqithi, to give us his impression on his appointment today.
Good morning to everyone. Dumelang. Bonjour. There is not much I can say, except to say I'm also very happy to be joining AmaZulu Football Club. The club with a very broad history, and a club that has achieved a lot in the past, a club that we grew up respecting and supporting as a club that comes from our region. It's also encouraging to come to a club that has got all the structures, the facilities that we have, more especially the fact that they also have a Vodacom League site, which gives the senior team a chance to always get players closer, because we believe most of the players that are playing in PSL now are the players that have, maybe 80% of them are the players that did get a chance to play in the Vodacom League, and it gives you a chance to always bring talent closer and know that they'll be competing week in and week out. And knowing that we also have other structures of the team, I believe that is something that one will have to look very closely in. The management of the club has shown a lot of support from me from the time they came to me. I know the rumor has been there from the beginning of the season, but honestly speaking, I don't think that they were having any base, because we only spoke with AmaZulu in this month, and never before this month. And I want to assure everyone that I will give the club all the commitment that I want. I also want to see the club becoming one of the best clubs in the country. I could have chosen to go to Gauteng anywhere else, but I felt AmaZulu is one club that maybe for the province generally, it would be very good to see a club like AmaZulu going back to their old winning ways. I must also say that I do not want to take all the glory. I believe the coach that was working with the club last season has also done a very good job. I also respect him as a person, and I wish him all the best in his endeavors. And I will obviously be looking forward to working with the players that has worked with him for a long time. And I'm definitely sure that something right will be able to happen, and I will be very good to see the club becoming a more renowned club in the country, more respected, more enterprising, and there are many other elements that you can expect in this game. I thank you once again.